Hello, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your research paper category entry into one of the Connecticut History Day regional contests. So today I am starting off in the student homepage of the Fairfield Regional Contest zFairs system. I am in the Fairfield contest specifically because this is where I've created my account for demonstration purposes. However, these steps apply across all regional contests and at all levels of History Day contest. So, you've finished writing your research paper, you've revised, edited, you've added your title page, you have completed your annotated bibliography and written your process paper. You are ready to upload your paper for evaluation by the judges. One thing I am going to point out while we are here on this homepage is that you can see here we have the paper category due date on this teal button of important dates to keep in mind. So this, for instance, is the deadline for the current History Day year we are in for this specific regional contest I am signed into, but you will be able to find this information on the student homepage of every regional contest each year of History Day. So look for that due date and ensure that you upload your paper in the way that I'm about to show you by that deadline in order to ensure the judges are able to evaluate your contest entry. The first step we're going to take after logging in to zFairs is going up here to the right-hand corner. You can see the first name that I've entered for the account that I've created for these purposes. Right up here, you will see your first name when you log in. We'll press the caret right here to open up this drop-down and go to My Profile. When you get here, you might recognize the screen that comes up. These are all screens we went through when completing the registration process. The one we're going to want to use today in order to upload the paper is the Entry tab. So that pulls up this screen right here where you have your preliminary title. You might want to take the opportunity right now to change that to the final title you are using for your paper. And we're going to head right on down here, see this button that says Add File, and it's labeled for Entries Paper, which is the title page, the process paper, the paper itself, and the annotated bibliography. Now, all of these components of your paper entry for the contest must be put into one PDF. You might work on them as separate documents, but when you go to submit, you'll want to combine them all into one document and ensure that it is a PDF. So, in order to actually upload this PDF, I'll press the gray Add File button. Here I will choose File, and that is going to open up the home page of my computer. So I am going to go down to my favorites right here, and I am going to select my PDF. You'll see here I have this labeled first name, last name, regional.pdf. You are going to want to label your file along those lines. So you'll want to put your first name and your last name and the word regional into the file name for your paper entry. So I will select that and press open. You can see here the file has been added right up here, but I need to press this gray Upload File button in order for it to be uploaded. One thing to keep in mind, zFairs does not save automatically. In order for my paper to actually be in my account and submitted and accessible to the judges, I need to press the gray Save button. Now that I've done that, this saved icon up here shows up. It's green. That means we are good to go, and my paper has been submitted for the contest. It's a pretty simple process, but if you have any questions or if you run into any issues when you go to upload your paper entry for a regional contest, please reach out to the Connecticut History Day State Office at info@historydayct.org. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful, and happy History Day.